Click first link in bio and scroll down. Click Install DNS Profile. Tap Allow and go to Settings. Go to General and scroll down. Click VPN and Device Management. After, click Coin DNS and click Install. Select Install again. After you installed, go back to the site and scroll down until you see eSign. Select Install on one of them. Since you have DNS, you can download the revoked ones too. If one doesn't work, try another. After it's installed, go back to Settings. Select the one you installed and click Trust. Click Allow and restart. After you allowed, go back to the website. Select Download eSign Certificate. Open up eSign and click the three dots on top right. Click Import. Find eSign Cert zip in your files. Click it and select Unzip File. Select eSign Certs and select the eSign you downloaded on site. Click Import Certificate Management. Now go back to Import and choose the executor IPA file. The IPAs are in link in bio. You can choose whichever one you want. For this video I'm doing Codex since it's the best one. Now just follow what I'm doing. If you have any questions, ask in comments.